Now, I made my first guitar at the age of 17. I made it in a weekend, working through the Friday and Saturday night. This is guitar number 21. I've sold most of my guitars. And what makes this guitar unusual, apart from having my backing tracks on board, is that it's easy to build. Yes, it's easy to build, and it involves low-cost tools, materials and simple jigs that I have devised. So you may ask, what basic skills would you need to make this guitar? Well, this is a skills practice test. Using softwood, it involves marking out, using a tenon saw, using a chisel, The accuracy doesn't have to be as good as this, as you can use an epoxy glue to fill the gaps. Now the skill test includes gluing up using a PVA type glue, using a drill, and a small low-cost bandsaw. This is probably the biggest investment, but all these tools can be used for general woodworking. The practice skills test involves shaping using coarse abrading sticks. So it's a carefully planned skill test that uses the skills involved in making the guitar. And we also use a low-cost router. Here I'm using a low-cost hot melt glue gun. So the router is used quite a lot in the building of this guitar. Now, if you are a guitarist, you are already good with your hands. So, to build this guitar is really a transfer of those same skills. The skill test is very important to practice on. Now, woodworking can be an expensive hobby requiring space. I made this guitar on an absolute minimum budget of tools and materials, and the entire guitar build was on a low-cost workmate bench, and all the jigs designed to fit on it. The low-cost tools are standard woodworking tools and should last many years. It was making that first guitar that aroused my own passion for woodworking, and I still use some of those early tools today. So let's look at the materials used in this guitar. They are mostly off-the-shelf, readily available materials. The guitar and the jigs use lengths of one small section of softwood strip, and that strip is planed all round. It uses standard size 1/2-inch chipboard for the jigs. and 2mm thick model making birch plywood is used for the body. Now this avoids the laborious and skillful steam bending of expensive woods. So this is quite a radical departure from traditional design. The only specialist items are the spruce top, which is supplied in 2 halves. And the quality of the sound is determined by the use of spruce and the way the top is strutted. And the other specialist item is a pre-fretted fingerboard. It is far too difficult for a woodworking beginner to precisely cut the fret positions. So you can see this guitar simplifies the build whilst delivering an excellent sound. Some say that you cannot use softwood for the neck, but this guitar includes a steel truss rod. And I've played it on the streets of my home city many times in all temperatures. Surely a guitarist's dream is to build your own instrument? My 100-page multimedia ebook has detailed step-by-step instructions and integrated video tutorials. There is nothing more satisfying than playing a guitar you have built for yourself.